just slow down. Bloody hell, it's full of water. Jib on, pull the jib on. Bloody hell, it's caught and everything. Okay. Right. Yeah. Right, where is X? Or 8 even? Oh, he's on there. Actually,
I just got way up the back of the
yeah, that was off me. Oh, geez. My bad. Whoops. Right, where's Mark? Yeah, right ahead of us. Good.
So you're stopping it? Or
No, we're keeping it up. We'll just bear away. Where's our next mark?
I've never done the twinners before the gym.
Yeah, I just figured that out. Right, actually, I don't think we need to be honest. Right, take that again. And like, your job is to look out for X.
Okay. X is usually right in front of me. Somewhere.
Let's see it over there, I think. Right, we are going to have to jibe.
Right now?
Yeah. Right.
Twinners now?
Twinners first. Okay, jib. Bring the boom over. Oh, Christ. Yeah, got it? Right. Okay. And we're looking. Here we go. It's a little tight, but whatever. Right. Get through the line. be able to go straight over it.
We're above it.
Okay.
I know she's one.
Not a problem. Yeah. Jib on a wee bit more if you can. There we go, that's better. Okay, ready, guys? Tracking, good tracking. My man's caught the splice, I can't get it off. Yeah, my man also got stuck, so there you go. We're a little over the line, I don't know. I'll do it.